Hi, I'm Heather, and I can do this with my arm, this with both of my fingers. No, my elbow doesn't have loose skin. It's elasticity. Double jointed. My legs are constantly in hyperextension. I've only learned recently not to do that, and I'm actively trying not to do that whenever I stand. And ever since I was little, I could put my palms to the floor, no big deal. I wasn't cheerleading, but I was never a flyer, and I could always put my foot to the top of my head with no issues. I wish that I was a flyer because wow, that would have been fun. I've always known I've had hypermobility. I'm in the process of trying to get a referral to the right doctor. I've talked to my primary, who doesn't know a lot about it. I've talked to rheumatologists, neurosurgeons, so many people. Nobody knows where to send me. Google wants to send me to labs where they have geneticists that will tell you what type that you have, but they're all out of pocket and it's really expensive. If you are in Florida and you know a doctor who can diagnose you with it, because diagnoses are important. I realize that there's no treatment for it, but if I ever have surgery because I have a spinal injury, I have issues with my spine because of a car accident, I need to have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome on my paperwork because it delays wound healing. When I had my 2 C-sections, I had delayed wound healing for months. I had to go on antibiotics. It was a scary thing. So if I ever have an accident in the future or I have to have surgery of any kind, I need to have EDS on there, because if I don't, then the doctors won't know to do anything differently to help me with my healing. So if you're in the Florida area or you know somebody who is able to take me online, if I'm not able to get this sorted out with my rheumatologist referral, I would greatly appreciate the help.